Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Chrome performance with built-in Task Manager. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google Chrome browser. Click on the three vertical dots located in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, hover over More Tools. Then, select Task Manager from the submenu. Alternatively, you can open Task Manager by using the keyboard shortcut Shift plus Escape. Once Task Manager is open, you will see a list of all active tabs and extensions. This list includes details like the memory usage, CPU usage, and network activity of each process. To analyze a particular tab or extension, look for the one that's consuming high resources. You can sort the columns by clicking on the headings such as memory or CPU. This helps you identify which processes are affecting your. If you find a tab that uses too much memory or CPU, you can select it. After selecting, click on the End Process button at the bottom right. This will close the tab or extension, freeing up resources. You can also check the network column to see if any tab is using excessive bandwidth. Monitoring these metrics can help you troubleshoot slow loading times. If you notice persistent performance issues, consider disabling unnecessary extensions. Regularly checking Chrome's Task Manager can enhance your browsing experience. Make note of any tabs or extensions you consistently end up closing. This can inform you about the apps or plugins that may need replacement or removal. By mastering these tools, you can maintain a smoother, faster browsing experience on Chrome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.